Welcome back to Mern's Kitchen. Kumusta po kayong lahat? I hope everyone is okay and safe. Ang lulutuin natin for today is Mongolian beef. Madali lang po itong lutuin, so tara na, umpisahan na natin. Una po natin gagawin ay i-marinate natin ang beef. At narito yung mga ingredients. So kailangan po natin ng 700 grams flank steak, 2 tablespoon light soya sauce, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 1/2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Sa isang bowl, i-combine po natin lahat ng ingredients and then imimix po natin itong maigi gamit ang ating mga kamay, and then we will set it aside and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Habang inaantay nating ma-marinate ang beef, pwede na nating ihanda ang ating sauce. At narito ang mga ingredients na kailangan natin. We need 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup light soya sauce, and 3 tablespoon brown sugar. So haluin lang po itong maigi and make sure na na-dissolve pong maigi yung brown sugar. Pipituhin lang po natin yung beef hanggang maging crispy at golden brown na ang kulay. And then, isasalin lang po natin ito ulit sa isang bowl at pwede na natin gisahin yung ating mga ibang ingredients. At narito naman ang mga ingredients para sa pag-stir fry. Kailangan po natin ng 3/8 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 1/2 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 bunch of scallion or onion leek, 1/4 teaspoon sesame seed. Optional lang po ito. At pagkagisa ng bawang, sibuyas at ginger, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating sauce na ginawa kanina. At isisimmer lang natin ito for 3 minutes and then pwede na natin isunod yung beef. And then we will just allow it to simmer for a few minutes again. Then we can add the sesame oil, the scallion, and we will just toss it for a few seconds. And we're done. Ito na po yung ating Mongolian beef. Napakadaling lutuin, di po ba? Thank you for watching and I hope you will try the recipe. So everyone, stay safe, stay at home, and always pray. So, please hit subscribe, hit the ring button for our latest cooking videos. And of course, give us a thumbs up, comment, and share. Thank you. God bless everyone.